The other day in the print shop, a student and I made her a fabric board. What we used to make this was a staple gun with staples, a piece of muslin, a nice board made of plywood, cotton batting, and a hammer. First, what you're going to do is cut the cotton batting and fabric to size. Make sure you have a little bit more overhang though. Now you want to start stapling. What I like to do is staple progressively on all four sides between, and then do the corners first, then the middle of each side, and then keep going back and forth between all four sides. After I've stapled, I use a hammer to make sure that now all the staples are fastened well. I recommend also using a C-clamp to hold the fabric board onto the table that you're working on. Make sure you put a little piece of cardboard between the C-clamp and the fabric so that you don't make a mark. When you're done with all four sides, you take a hammer, make sure that all the staples are tight. Afterwards, what you're going to do is make sure that everything is really, really taut, meaning the fabric barely has any bounce back. When you go to print, you're going to need quilter's pins, and also you're going to need your fabric ironed. You're going to put the fabric down on top of the fabric board and then put down the pins. I usually put them to the side. Over top of the pins, so you don't hurt your screen, I always put a little bit of tape, like just to cushion it. Then you're going to direct contact print and you're ready to roll.